Hey everybody, Mr. Thayer, Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship here with you today. We're going to do a math lesson for third grade here. And this week, these next 5 lessons are going to be very, very basic. And it's all about building reps and understanding the numbers that we are going to see. All right, so today we're going to talk about factors. And I'm going to put this definition up for the next 5 days. And I really want you to get this understanding of what factors are and what we're looking for. All right. This is going to go a long way in terms of multiplication, and in division it's going to help you a little bit as well. So here we go. Here's my paddle right here. Our lesson is facts practice, okay? And the question that we want to answer is, what is a factor, okay? And a factor, very simply, is the numbers we multiply together, okay? You guys see this number sentence right here. 1 times 5 equals 5, all right? And if we want to ask that question, the factors in that sentence are 1 and 5. 1 times 5. 1 and 5 are the factors in that sentence, all right? If you come to the end, you get to the equals 5. 5, or the answer right now, is the product, all right? So there's your product, which is 5. But for what we're looking at today, the factors are 1 times 5. The numbers that we are multiplying together are the factors, okay? Today, we're going to look at 5 and 10. We're going to look at the factors that make up the number 5 and the number 10. There's not too much, okay? But, like I said before, it's like reps. You got to practice them, and you got to be quick. You got to understand when you see that, you understand, hey, this times this equals this, all right? I was very good at multiplication. I loved going over those facts over and over and over. So let's just get into it. 2 paddles today. And we just got to look at what our factors are. Let's start with 5. Okay? Very simple. All right? 1 times 5 equals 5. You say it. 1 times 5 equals 5. And you can see with the black line there, I have the factors underlined. So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Those are the factors of 5. When I multiply those together, they give us the product of 5. Guess what? We can flip those around. Those numbers, we talked about that in previous lessons. You can, when you're multiplying or adding, you can flip those numbers around, and it still will give you the same answer. So in our case here, 5 times 1 equals 5. It's correct. We flip the numbers, and it's still okay. Our factors are 5 and 1, and our product is 5. So those are, 1 and 5 are your factors when you're dealing with the number 5. You can see that I have them underlined right there. Boom, check them out. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. I like to kind of sing it a little bit as I do it. Makes things a lot easier, okay? So we did 5. Now we're going to do 10, okay? As you're going to see, 10 is going to have a few more factors here, okay? Here we go. So 1 times 10 equals 10, okay? Your factors are 1 and 10. Let's do that switch thing. Let's switch up those factors right now. So now we just have 10 times 1. You guessed is the same answer, equals 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. Those are your factors for 10, 1 and 10, or 10 and 1, okay? The cool thing about 10, though, is it also has some other factors here. So let's scooch over here, and we see 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. So your factors are 2 and 5 in this answer. Multiplication means we're going to flip-flop them. We're going to switch them up. So we just flip-flopped them, and now we have 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. All right? I'll hold the board up right there. So our factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Those are our factors of 10 right there, okay? So today, just to review, we looked at, get my board's up here, factors of 5 and factors of 10, okay? And factors tell us those are the numbers we multiply together to get an answer. When we're talking to multiplication, that would be the product, all right? So just to review again, factors, the numbers we multiply together are the factors of a number, and the product is the answer. All right? So what I did for you today is I gave you 10, yes, 10 multiplication problems dealing with these factors right here, okay? If you look at these, you will get all 10 of these right because they're right here for you. Here are the answers to all the problems. You just have to look at what you're doing and get them correct. Very simple, okay? You're going to see 1 times 5. You're going to see 5 times 1. We know those answers are 5. You're going to see 1 times 10 and 10 times 1 and 2 times 5 and 5 times 2. And you're going to understand that those are 2. I did that for a reason. Reps, I want you to build it up. I want you to understand it and be able to answer those questions quick. All right? Mr. Thayer out on this lesson. That was factors for 5 and 10. I will see you tomorrow with another fact lesson. Have a good day.